My name is Aaron Klesick, and I'm the department chair and instructor in the Automotive program at Skagit Valley College.
Going from everything from basic electrical to suspensions, brake systems.
The thing I enjoy most about this program is being hands-on.
Hands-on, being in the shop.
Like hands-on learner. Hearing lectures and reading textbooks, not my strong suit.
Not only is it a great industry in high demand, wages are increasing, benefits are getting better every year, but there's job security there. Cars are always going to be around. There's always a transportation sector there.
Half of this quarter was diesel, and then now we're in the EV portion.
Some people are against working on EVs. They see it as detrimental to this industry. I would argue that it's the next big step in innovation, and this program really likes to encourage that and encourage us, to work on these more advanced cars.
My dream in life is to own my own shop and be able to build as many old cars as rare as they come.
I'm signing up for the armed forces. I'm going into aviation mechanics.
After the program, I was thinking about trying to become a mobile mechanic.
If you decide in 5 years that maybe I don't want to be a technician for the rest of my life, you have a skill that you can use forever.
People are moving away from the trades, and a lot of these skills have been forgotten over time, and I think it's important for people to learn, how to change tire, how to change oil.
Most shops have 3 to 4 openings on average. They're looking to hire students right out of the program upon completion.
If you have any questions, ask. The teachers are more than willing to help you.
Get your hands in absolutely as much of it as you can. Get a job in a shop or just work on your own car. Just tinker on a lawnmower. Go buy one off a marketplace for like 50 bucks. Get your hands dirty.
Our goal is not only to create the best technicians possible in the industry, but also to create professionals that are ambassadors for the automotive industry here.